This pumpkin bread by Butternut Bakery is topped with a crunchy streusel and a maple glaze. The bread is so moist with a banana bread-like crumb. The spices give it an amazing aroma and it's bursting with pumpkin flavor. The bread is not too sweet, so it needs the streusel for sweetness and the contrasting texture. The optional glaze gives cozy morning vibes from the maple syrup. First, make the streusel topping by combining a half stick of very soft or melted butter, 3 tablespoons each dark brown sugar and white sugar, and a half cup of all-purpose flour. Using a fork or your hands, mix till you get a streusel. Set aside in the refrigerator. To make the pumpkin bread, first mix your dry ingredients: 240 grams of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, a half teaspoon table salt, and whatever spices you like. Added a dash each of cinnamon and nutmeg. Ground ginger or cloves would be nice. Whisk and set aside. To a large bowl, add 1 cup of white sugar, a half cup of dark brown sugar, 1 15-ounce can pumpkin puree, and a half cup of oil. Mix till combined. Then crack in 2 eggs and mix. Add a half teaspoon of vanilla and mix. Now add half of the dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Then add a half cup of whole milk. Mix again. Then add the rest of the dry ingredients and mix till smooth. Pour the batter into a greased and floured 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. Knock out the air bubbles, top with streusel, and bake at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 20 minutes. If the bread begins to brown too much, cover with foil. Prepare the glaze by combining a half cup of powdered sugar with a 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Mix and pour over the warm cake. Let the glaze set and slice and serve. Enjoy.